So over here, you can see that I am in my email piece right here. And let's say I want to write an email. So in that case, if you're in Microsoft Edge browser, then you can simply go around over here onto Copilot right here, just like this, and then go to the compose mode right here. So once you go around onto the compose mode, you can go around onto email. And let's say I'm going to go for professional right here. And let's say I'm going to go around and type in write a leave request letter as I am not feeling well due to food poisoning right here, just like this. So let me just go around and generate out this draft right here, just like this. And what happens is that it'll generate out a draft for that particular option right here, just like this. So you can see that this is what you have. So I'm writing to inform you that I'm currently experiencing a severe case of food poisoning, and as a result I'm unable to attend work. So let me just go around over here, just like this, put the cursor on my page and then click on add to site, and then it simply gets inserted around over here, as you can see right here. So now you can also go around over here, and let's say for example you can go around and modify this out right here, like subject leave request due to illness, go around over here, add to site, and that is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can go around and then go to some area in a web page, like any website where you can add in text, and then utilize the compose mode and click on add to site to add the contents to the site directly if you want to utilize the generated contents. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.